ever consider paying $34 for a lighter? What about $125? That's the price range of a Zippo lighter. Expensive? Yes. But people insist these beloved lighters are not only functional, but a sentimental little treasure. The first Zippo was produced in 1933, and it quickly rose to prominence during World War II. Since then, these lighters have become synonymous with the US military and have gone on to become super popular in pop culture, Hollywood, and on Broadway stages. 87 years later, Zippo manufactures about 70,000 lighters per day in their Bradford, Pennsylvania facility. We got a look at how these lighters are made. The process begins with large sheets of brass being shaped into the case's top and bottom pieces. After the case is put together, the pieces go into a nickel bath, which acts as an adhesive for the chrome finish. Once they're rinsed in the bath 5 times, they'll go into the chrome tank for 4 minutes, then emerge as a shiny chrome-plated case. About 3,400 pieces are chrome-plated every hour. Next is creating the lighter insert. This holds the lighter fuel and sparking components. See those little holes? They're strategically put there to make the lighter windproof, a rare feature for lighters. The flint spring and the flint wheel create the spark for the flame. It's the movement of the two that generates the spark. Next is the wick. The wick zigzags through cotton that acts as a sponge for the lighter fuel, which is added later on. The insert is finally put into the case. Lastly, each lighter is meticulously inspected to make sure all its components are there, including the signature click noise Zippo lighters are known for.